Welcome everyone, Bill Dow here. I am super excited about this video. And in this video, we're going to talk about getting accurate project estimates from your resources. Project managers are finding it very difficult to get good, accurate estimates from their resources. It's such a fast-paced environment we're in today, and they're really struggling. Why is that? Well, that's a great question. Let me show you and tell you some of the reasons and what I have seen. First, project resources are spending so much time context switching. They're starting one project, they're going on to another one, they're going back to the first project, they're going on to the next one. And that context switching, there's no way they could possibly estimate that time, right? There's no way they could do that. So no wonder we're getting not as great project estimates as we'd like, because there's no way a project resource could actually factor in that context switching. Number two, project resources are working on so many different projects, and that I see different than context switching. And so from a context switching, they're going back and forth. This is just the volume of load that they're working on, right? And again, when you work on so many different projects and you're so busy and you've got such a load, it's really tough to actually estimate properly the tasks and how long a particular task is going to take, because you just don't know where these projects are going to go. Have you seen that? I've actually seen that a lot, right? So quick reminder, if you like this content, you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the little bell. I'm definitely releasing new videos all the time, and I'd love to stay connected, and I want to make sure I'm providing you the greatest value. Okay, let's continue. Wait, before we do that, I have a question. Are your resources, right? Are your project resources giving you amazing estimates? Are their accuracy just through the roof? Or do your resources work on multiple projects? Do your resources have to context switch, right? There could be a variety of reasons out there. But are they happening? I'd love for you to comment below. Let me know what's happening in your world. I see this all the time, but I just really challenge to see if your resources are doing that great estimating. Interesting, right? Another reason we've seen is resource managers are estimating on behalf of their project resources. So the resource managers will go, okay, I'll estimate for them. And then when the project resource gets onto the project, they go, well, that estimate's completely off. I don't know what that resource manager was thinking, but they're completely off, and here's the new estimate. Again, not getting great estimates, right? And that happens all the time as well. So what do you think? Well, this is not easy, right? But I do have some suggestions. Number one, let the resources provide the estimates in the manner to which they're most comfortable providing. So what do we mean by that? Well, we call it historical estimates or expert judgment. But basically what we're saying is that resource has done this before or may have done something similar. It's going to take 1 week or 2 weeks or 2 hours or 5 hours, whatever the cycle or the estimate is. But we allow them to use their expert judgment. We allow them to say, if I've done this before, roughly how long did it take, right? And so when you do that and you're giving that resource that time, you're basically allowing them to say, I've done this before, here's what I feel that this estimate would take, and then only through the execution of the actual task will we know how accurate they are or not. And of course, a good project manager can stay on top of that. Number two, PERT estimating. I love this estimating model, I really do. This is where you get optimistic, pessimistic, most likely, right? You get 3 values, you put it into the PERT calculation. Right? Are you feeling good about this? What if things radically go wrong? The PERT estimating and getting those 3 values really helps you refine exactly how long things take, right? I absolutely love it. I've been doing it for years. I've got templates on it, lots and lots of passion around the PERT estimating. I highly suggest you use that as well. And then, of course, number 3, for our Agile folks that are watching, I'm all about t-shirt sizing. I'm all about using the Fibonacci sequence, right? We absolutely love that. Poker planning with looking at risk, looking at complexity, and making sure that you're doing and giving as close to the estimates as possible. And then, of course, through your burn downs, your burn ups, and your various velocity tracking, you can see how well the team's doing towards each sprint. These are the 3 methods I've used before. I highly recommend you pick up some of these and use these for your projects. Thank you again. Does that make sense though? And what do you guys think? Right? I've been doing this for a long time and I'm really, really excited about sharing these. Again, quick reminder, please like and subscribe, right? But what's more important is watch the next video on running hybrid, agile, and waterfall methodologies listed right here on my channel. Definitely go check it out. And thank you all very much. Have a great one.